In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write fractions in Notion. If you've ever wanted to show clean, professional-looking math in your pages, Notion makes it easy using built-in and LaTeX support. We'll keep it simple and focus on fractions, and by the end, you'll be comfortable placing them either as part of your text or on their own line. First, create a math equation area in any Notion page, type the /. Then the word math. From the small menu that appears, choose block equation if you want the fraction to sit on its own dedicated line. Or choose inline equation if you prefer the fraction to live inside a sentence. Use a block when you want the math to stand out. Like in a solution or a list of formulas, use inline when the math is just part of a note or explanation. Once the equation box appears, it's time to write the fraction using LaTeX. Inside that box, type \frac, then your numerator in curly braces, followed by your denominator in curly braces. Exactly like this, /frac fe numerator fe denominator fe. Replace the placeholder words with what you need. For example, typing /frac fe on fe 2 fe will display 1/2. You can also use symbols or expressions, /frac fe a fe. Fe shows a plus b over c. The curly braces are important because they tell Notion exactly what belongs in the top and bottom of the fraction. Especially when you have more than a single character. Even with multi-digit numbers, keeping the braces is a safe habit that avoids formatting surprises. This syntax is standard across many math tools. So once you learn it here, you can reuse it almost anywhere. If your numerator or denominator needs parentheses, include them inside the braces. Like /frac fe x fe on fe. You can also type spaces inside the braces. LaTeX will ignore extra spacing and still render the fraction correctly. And remember, the \/ at the beginning of frac matters. It signals a LaTeX command when your fraction looks right in the box. Press Enter. Notion will render it as a neatly formatted fraction. In a block equation, you'll see it centered on its own line. In an inline equation, it will sit comfortably within your text without breaking the flow. That's all there is to it. Create a math equation area with the / command. Type the fraction formula using /frac with curly braces. And press Enter to render. Practice with a few examples and you'll be writing clear, readable fractions in seconds. Thanks for watching.